Secret facts on how to make money. Everyone wants to make money, but not everyone knows how to do it. In this video, we will reveal some secret facts that can help you make more money. Firstly, invest in yourself. Learn new skills and expand your knowledge. This can help you increase your earning potential. Secondly, start a side hustle. Use your talents and hobbies to create a product or service that people want. You can sell it online and make money. Thirdly, manage your money wisely. Use budgeting apps, track your expenses and save as much as you can. This can help you avoid debt and build wealth over time. Lastly, build a strong network. Attend business events, connect with like-minded people, and collaborate on projects. This can help you get more opportunities and grow your income. These are just a few secret facts on how to make money. With determination and hard work, you can achieve your financial goals. Subscribe to our channel for more tips on personal finance and entrepreneurship.